Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for weight loss. First, let's understand why making your own protein powder is a fantastic idea. It's incredibly cost-effective, saving you money compared to store-bought options. Plus, you gain complete control over the ingredients, ensuring no unwanted additives or artificial sweeteners. This allows you to tailor it perfectly to your dietary needs and preferences, making your weight loss journey both delicious and effective. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want a good base, perhaps 1 cup of rolled oats or cooked quinoa, providing excellent complex carbohydrates and fiber. Next, select your primary protein source. Consider half a cup of roasted lentils, chickpeas, or a mix of almonds and pumpkin seeds. Finally, add flavor with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, or a 1/4 cup of dried berries for a natural sweetness. With your ingredients ready, let's prepare them for blending. It's crucial that all solid components, especially grains, nuts, and seeds, are completely dry. If needed, lightly roast your nuts and seeds for about 10 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit to bring out their rich flavors. Then, combine everything in a powerful blender. Process on high speed for several minutes, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides until you achieve a very fine, uniform powder. Once your protein powder is perfectly blended, proper storage is key. Transfer it to an airtight container, like a glass jar, and keep it in a cool, dark pantry. It should stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. To use, simply add 1 or 2 scoops, which is about 20 to 40 grams, to your morning smoothie, mix it into yogurt, or stir it into oatmeal. This protein boost will help you feel satisfied for longer, making it easier to manage your calorie intake and support your weight loss journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.